Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Leafy from BFDI into geometry. So first let's get our colors ready. And for this you want to choose Leafy. For Leafy you will choose this icon. Download it. For the ship you'll choose this one. For the ball for Leafy, choose that one. For the UFO for Leafy, choose this one. For the wave for Leafy, choose that one. For the robot for Leafy, choose this one. For the robot for Leafy, the spider, choose that one. And for the thingamajig, you choose that. And that's how you make Leafy. Wait. I got it wrong the entire time.